Most people are out here chasing gimmicks. Drop shipping, crypto, FBA, SMMA, whatever the next shiny object is. But the sad truth is 99% of them will never make $1 online. The reason for that is because they're overcomplicating things. But what I'm exposing today is a stupid-proof system to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month on autopilot. I'm talking about automated reviews, one of the easiest and most scalable ways to build real recurring monthly income. Because here's the truth, a business with bad reviews or no reviews at all is positioned terribly in the marketplace, and you can fix that in 10 minutes and charge them $300 every month for it. This isn't theory, it works, and businesses are already paying for it. So what I'm gonna show you today is how to set this up step by step, find businesses that need this yesterday, and get businesses to start paying you monthly for this fast. So let's get into it. When was the last time you bought something without checking reviews first? You don't need studies to tell you that 93% of people check reviews before making a purchase decision. If a business has bad reviews or no reviews at all, they're losing customers every single day. The issue for these business owners isn't that they don't know they have this problem. The issue is they don't have time to fix it. They're running their business, not sitting around begging for reviews. They assume customers will leave reviews on their own, but they don't. And they have no system in place to fix this. So they end up with a handful of outdated reviews while their competitors, who might not even be better than them, are dominating them in the search results. And that's why you can step in and get paid to solve this for them. You set up a system that automatically follows up with happy customers and nudges them towards leaving a 5-star review and runs on autopilot so that the business owner never has to touch it. More reviews, higher rankings, more customers, more money. That's it. And businesses will gladly pay you just to not have to worry about this. All right, so now that you understand why businesses need this, let me show you how to go and find the perfect clients that will pay you $300 a month for it. Open up Google and type in plumbers in Los Angeles. We want to look for businesses that have less than 50 reviews, that have 4-star ratings or higher. These are the businesses that are leaving money on the table. Think about it. If I'm a customer looking for a plumber and I see one with 15 reviews and then another one with 200 reviews, who do you think I'm going to call? Probably the one with 200. Now imagine you tell that plumber, I can help you get 20 to 30 5-star reviews every month on autopilot. That's a no-brainer for them. So once you found a business who needs this and they've agreed to move forward, let me show you how it works. Now this is the platform we're using to automate this entire process. This isn't a complicated system. You're not coding anything. You're not building a website. You're just plugging their business into this tool and letting it run. First thing we do is connect their Google business profile. This is where the reviews live and where we want the new ones to go. So you're literally just gonna press connect, have the business owner log into their Google account and select their business. Once connected, the software automatically pulls in their existing reviews and sets up tracking. Now head over to settings. Next, we're setting up automated review requests. This is what makes the system so powerful. It follows up with every customer without the business owner ever lifting a finger. You can just go to SMS review requests and enable this, figure out when you want to send this, customize the message. Same thing with emails here. Here's what happens. After the customer visits the business, they get a friendly text and email asking for a review. If they're happy, they go straight to Google to leave the 5-star review. If not, it directs them back over to the business owners without that customer leaving a bad review. So not only is this building their reputation online, it's actually protecting them. To make this even better, we can use AI to automate the review responses without the business owner needing to do anything. So you can just click auto responses, go over here, 4 stars and above, figure out how much time you want to wait before responding, 9 minutes, and then punch in thank you, or whatever message you want to customize here. This makes the business look engaged, professional, and on top of customer feedback without them spending hours managing it. So that's it. The system's set up. Every happy customer gets nudged to leave a 5-star review. Negative feedback stays private, and the business's reputation keeps improving every single day. And this is why clients keep paying month after month. Once this is working, they won't turn it off. More reviews mean higher rankings, more customers, and more revenue. So that's the play. Super straightforward, works like crazy. And I use it every day. Now, if you got value from this, do me a favor. Like the video, share it with a friend, and drop a comment below saying done. When you do, I'll send you a link to the full step-by-step training, all the templates, scripts, everything you need to make this work. Totally free. No course to buy, no coaching program, just real stuff that gets results. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next one.